Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. My video today is going to be sharing the June Paper Pumpkin Kit. Now, if you aren't familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is a craft subscription box that you can get delivered to your mailbox once a month. You can try it out for 1 month, you can sign up for a couple of months, or you can sign up to receive it until you decide to change your subscription. So it always comes in a cute little box. Normally it is an orangish reddish color. This month for the box of sunshine kit, we had this fun yellow box, which I really like. So I want to show you this month's kit. I've put together a couple of these. I came up with an alternative project. I like to come up with alternatives to show you how to use your kit in different ways if you don't want to use it for the project shown, but I absolutely love these. I am going to use most of my kit to make the cards exactly as they're shown. So I've made up 2 of them already, and we're going to make up the other 2 here, right here together. The kit comes with enough for 8 cards, and it's kind of fun. We got a lot of extra pieces this month, but some of them came with the intention of turning this yellow box into a box of sunshine. So there's a mailing label that we can put on the cover. We can decorate that and then fill it with goodies and send it off to somebody that maybe you haven't been able to see it for a while because of all of this COVID stuff going on, or just somebody you don't get to see very often anyway. So these 2 I'll share with you real quick. Comes with the card bases. All I did for these were die cuts, the sun and the pineapple. I placed those onto the card. The black polka dot pieces are big stickers, so I stuck those on. The tags came in the kit, pre-cut of course, and we got the cute stamp set. So I stamped the greetings on here. The stamp set has one that says sunshine. What does this one say? You are loved, I believe that says. Sending, hello, smile, a little something to brighten your day with the sun and this cute little texture stamp. So I'll show you some of the pieces that came. Here are the other card bases I have not used yet. I believe I said that, but it came with enough for 8 card bases. And the envelopes, we always have fun envelopes with these kits. I love these envelopes that have the gold accents on them. Now we also got, here I'll show you some of the die cuts and stickers. We usually have a lot left over in this kit. These are all stickers. These are designed to go on that box so that you can just put them right on there, address it, and mail it off to somebody. Most of the rest of these are die cuts. The labels and tags. Love the lemons. I love the pineapple. I just love how bright and fun these are. And all of these black pieces are big stickers. So we have some really large ones on this side, and then these are smaller strips. So I will be able to use these for a lot of extra cards once I finish this. So I'm going to pull in some materials and let's make one of these cards together. Here is the instructions. So I've got the pictures on the front. I have my instructions on the inside. And if you are more of a video type person, if you visit somewhere, the link is on here. If you can go to YouTube, you can go to the Paper Pumpkin site and pull up a quick video that will show you how to, it's fast forwarded and it'll show you somebody making this kit in like 2 minutes. So that's kind of fun if you are not into reading instructions. I get it. I usually do not read the instructions, and then I usually mess something up, but it doesn't really matter. You can make these however you want, and they always turn out cute. So for this card right here, see if I can show it to you up close. It says Sending Sunshine, has that beautiful watercolored looking background that I love. So we just stamped the sun. Now we are going to stamp this fun texture stamp. Now your Paper Pumpkin kit will come with a little mini black ink spot. I pulled out my big one since it was here, since it's a little bit easier to use. Now I need one of these black stickers. Place that right here. I want to stamp that Sending Sunshine, and I wasn't sure if these would fit. I think I'm going to have to stamp these at separate times since Sunshine is one word, or one stamp, I'm sorry, and Sending is one stamp. They didn't quite fit close enough together to fit right on that tag. There we go. So I'll put some dimensionals on. Your dimensionals come in your kit. If you are a beginning stamper, these kits are fantastic because they come with everything you need. Literally everything you need. So you get a block the first month, and then every month after that, you remember you got to hang on to that block because they will not send you another block after your first month. But it comes with all the pieces and parts, the little ink spot, so it's a nice way to build up your ink colors. It's also a nice way to build up your stamps so that, you know, you start getting a collection and it's minimal investment. This kit is just over $20 a month, so it's really a good price for everything you get inside. Okay, I'll put these cute sequins came inside. These are some of our Artistry Bloom sequins from our catalog, which I've been using quite a bit. And we have a cute little card finished. And it just took a couple of minutes. I just love these. Love the bright colors. Now I will pull in this next one. This one we're going to make this fun lemon card. It says a little something to brighten your day. So I will go ahead and stamp that on this tag. Okay, now this big black piece was one of those stickers, and I already put that on there. So it is ready to go. Now I need to put the lemons over top. So your kit comes with little adhesive dots if you want to use them. I usually choose to use my adhesive that I have. It's just a little bit easier. So we'll put these down. Then I think I'll put a glue dot, if I could find my glue dots. On the back of this leaf, right down here at the base of it. And they were slid down behind, so I'll slide that in there. Do the same thing with this one. And it looks like this one had an extra leaf. So I'll grab one more of these. Stick that one down in as well. For the tag, I'll pop this up. Something that's fun about these kits is you can, it's a lot of fun to get together with people and make these. So if you have a friend who likes to craft, or sister or daughter, or somebody who you're just looking to spend a little bit of quality time with them, or you need an excuse to get together with somebody every once in a while, it's kind of fun to subscribe to these kits together, and then you can either get together in person, or you can just video chat and hang out for a little bit and take a little break from life and do something fun. Make a little craft, catch up with a friend. So these are great for that. All right, we got that on there. We'll add a few sequins to this one. I really like that these sequins, I don't know why this makes such a big difference, but these sequins don't have holes in the center. And I just really like the way they look. They've got the adhesive on the back, so it makes it really easy to apply them. I think we need one more sequin down here. All right. So let me pull back in these cards if I can find them in my pile of stuff, if anybody knows what I'm talking about. Do you ever have a pile of stuff on your craft area? I bet I am not the only one. Okay, so here are the cards. Now, I do want to show you, I made up an alternative, and I thought these would make really pretty scrapbook pages. So I used some of the extra die cuts, and I made this, and I'm hoping you'll be able to see this whole thing. But we've got the sun up at the top, and I used that texture stamp. I stamped it a few times with Mango Melody back here in the background. I cut these photo mats out of Mango Melody and Poppy Parade cardstock. I, just the first time the other day, for quite a while, I crumpled up my paper for a project, and I think I'm obsessed again. I just love the texture that it adds. And down here I've got that pretty pineapple, Stamp the Sunshine, perfect for some kind of fun summer scrapbook page for some of your summer photos. Use that texture stamp down here. I just love this. I hope you've been able to catch those gold accents in this, but if not, I am going to wave these around a little bit so you can see that. But just a really neat paper pumpkin kit. If you're interested in subscribing, you can send me a message or visit mypaperpumpkin.com to find me specifically as your demonstrator. You will have to search for me, or if you contact me, I'll send you the direct link to sign up under me. Really, really small investment for a nice little break from your month to make some really cute cards that you can share with some of your loved ones. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you again next time.